And all my party actually. It is a great honor and pleasure for me to be invited to this gracious occasion as we mark the 64th anniversary of Zayoja Forward in Faith. Indeed, it is a very special day as we celebrate 64 years of advancing in the kingdom of God. I am aware that this is the first anniversary celebration you are having since the departure of our late spiritual icon and national hero, Baba Ezekiel Andina Wangu Good. To the church leadership, firstly, let me express my profound gratitude to you for extending your invitation to me. This invitation speaks highly of the good relationship that continues to exist between the government of Zimbabwe and Zayoja FIF Ministries. The cordial relationship we have was fostered by the late icon leader, founder and president of Zayoja, Archbishop Professor E.H. Guti. As government, we would like to appreciate the great work that continues to be done in the education sector by this ministry, even after the departure of Baba Guti. The recent construction and opening of Yuna Guti primary and secondary schools in Nyanyadzi above the already existing schools shows the ministry's commitment to partner with the government in empowering citizens of this great nation. I am happy that recently a groundbreaking ceremony was held this week for the Zimbabwe Ezekiel Guti University Satellite Campus in Chipinge, with all the resources needed for its completion already in place. Can I have a round of applause? The church plays a very critical role as a key stakeholder in nation building and raising responsible citizens. It is the duty of the church to promote peace and support government programs. As you celebrate your anniversary, I would like to encourage you to continue playing your part in nation building as you were taught by your father, the late national hero, Archbishop Professor E.H. Guti. Fellow worshippers, let me take this opportunity to remind you that the government's vision is underpinned by the mantra of leaving no one and no place behind. As we drive towards attainment of Vision 2030 of a prosperous, empowered, upper middle income society, as led by His Excellency, the President of the Republic of Zimbabwe, Dr. E.D. Mnangagwa. In the same vein, may I also plead with the board of the church in Manicaland to support the various government programs, as you always do. There are various areas in which the board of the church can contribute, and among other critical areas we have tourism, investment in various business ventures, and supporting social development programs that particularly focus on reducing social ills such as drug and substance abuse, child marriages, and gender-based violence, and corruption, drug abuse. Please, tinamatire iyo munowamari. Baba namai simao. Muri yenyu mchovaona vakagara kudai, vamwe vacho vanotone vana vari pamadrugs. Vakasuwa nazvo. Mwari wenyu, Mwari waEzekiel Guti, ngaapindire. Vana vedu vashata, asi neminamato tinoziva kuti zvinopera. Tinoti pindaiwo mumapurisa awane simba nechido neshungu dzekuzvipedza nekubata vari kuuya nawo madrugs vachizokwadzisa vana vedu. Pashayiwe zindenge-ndenge nekunengezeka zvinhu zvakadai zvichienda mberi. In light of that, let me encourage the board of the church to participate in various government programs that are undertaken at the community level. Zayoja Forward in Faith, allow me to congratulate you on the continued unity, peace, and commitment to the vision that was passed on to you and left by Baba Guti. Let us celebrate today, bearing in mind that nyika inovakwa nevene vayo, uye inonamatirwa nevene vayo, nekutongwa nevene vayo. Today we celebrate a Zimbabwean indigenous church that has spread its wings to 169 nations. This is a miracle on its own. And I want you to make some noise for this great achievement. Once again, we say happy 64th anniversary Zayoja Forward in Faith Ministries. Zayoja oye! God bless Zimbabwe, God bless our president, God bless Zayoja, God bless Amai Guti, God bless Manicaland, God bless all of
chikumbiro chandoda kusiya kuchechi yeZayoja nemamwe machechi ese anganga ari pano. Tine dambudziko rekuti statistics dzekutaura kuti tine more than 9,000 vana vasiri muzvikoro. Muno maMutare chete. Kana kuti vari kudzidzira mumaschools asiri kumita mastandards egovernment. So especially kana ari mapreschools, tine chirongwa tichikubuya nacho kumachechi chekukurudzira kuti mumachechi buildings enyu dai waro zvaikwanisika makwanisa kuti midweek musati mauya kuchechi munotendera kuti paitwe preschool, kuitira kuti tirerutse dambudziko rekuti vana vasadzidzire pasi pemuti pasina maablution facilities. So tinotarisira kuti kereke inotibatsira, zvikabudirira council ikazvitambira tinogona kuzotaura nevakuru kuti vaisewo macentives anoitira kuti zvireruke kuti machurches akwanise kutibatsira paarea iyoyo. Handidi kupedzerai nguva, ndambotaura kuti handisi mufundisi naye and handisi politician futi. So ndoda kungoti anniversary oye oye makorokoto 64 years basa ngariendere mberi, kudzamara to infinity. Ndatenda.
Gari ende vangeri rashe